25-year milestone, Downer ACT Asphalt. Founded by Arnold Downer in 1933, Downer EDI Works has a long history of expertise in asphalt, spray seal works, road maintenance and resurfacing in the ACT and neighbouring regions. Today, Downer specialises in asphalt and spray seal services, road construction, resurfacing and maintenance across the ACT, southern and western New South Wales. With a team of 40 to 50 people, multiple skilled crews and modern equipment, the company delivers everything from routine road maintenance to major surface rehabilitation works. A recent highlight is the award-winning AFP Majura training track Rehabilitation, which Downer delivered under tight security constraints and strict access guidelines to enhance this essential facility used for driver training and emergency exercises. This year, Downer EDI Works proudly marks 25 years of membership with the Master Builders Association of the ACT.